It's Friday. Wow, how wild. It's Friday. I keep forgetting where we are at in this week because this week has been, how do I put this? This week has been so all over the place. I think that's the most accurate way to describe that one. But yeah, here we are. We're doing it. I think that's the most important thing. We're here and we are going to continue. Okay, I see that it went and took out those highs. Everyone that had an awesome entry here is... Nope, not here. Where was yesterday? Here. Interesting, this actually would have worked out. Just looking at that. Adam, what's up? And Dr. Siraj, what's up? Went beautifully up all the way. Even retested there. Retested there. Just looking at everything. Yeah, okay. Now we just have to go and mark out all the highs and lows, the liquidity areas. Let's do this. Highs, lows, liquidity. Let's go. What's up, OTT? Adam, how goes it? How's the trading been? OTT, how was the rest of yesterday? Did you get a trade in? Or did you get another trade in? Let's rather ask that. I can't actually fully remember everything from yesterday. I know that sounds really bad, but I was literally so exhausted that I don't actually remember much of what happened. Don't know if that's normal or not, but we're gonna pretend like that's normal. Here's your high. Okie dokie. Close and open. There is a little bit. Oh, I'm just gonna mark out the open. And just remember that there is a little bit of an imbalance situation going on. New daily opening. Okay. And midnight, before I forget. Let's go for it. Let's mark out midnight quick sticks. Everything so far has been opening bearish. Let's see what happens. I actually overtraded so hard yesterday. I took 3 break-evens before getting that win. Jubez, what's up? How you been? You actually overtraded so hard yesterday. I took 3 break-evens before getting that win. Well, that depends. Were all of those 3 trades A+ setups? Like, were they all good trades to take? If yes, then doesn't matter. David, what's up? Old Lim, I'm good. I'm good. I'm a functioning human being today. So let's look at the bright side. Okay. I was just looking at this pop level that kept popping up. Actually, I don't have a template. This is previous day high. Okay. I think that's New York high. That's been taken. New York low has also been taken. Damn, it just moved hectically. Oh. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we get. Done. Okay, I've marked out everything. Awesome sauce. Now, let's do our top to bottom analysis, quick sticks. Block all that, so let's start with the daily. Soldier, what's up? You say full port, sell everything. There we go. There we go. I've been good and I'm even better because it's payout day. Hey, Jubez, that is amazing. Whoop whoop then indeed for payout day. I'm not there yet, but for everyone that is getting payout day, well done. Okay, all them. I'm curious. They actually were, but damn, if I had to take TP at 1 hour, they were great. Ah. So Eddie, I do say things weirdly now and then for fun, like situation. But I go situation. No, what do I say? Situation. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just weird. It's like me doing microwave. I say microwave. All of them are just memes, and I'm apparently lame. And ooh, look at both of these volume imbalances. Okay. A lot of volume, barely moved. Okay, so yesterday was a doji. 2 volume imbalances over there. Okay, I wonder if we're gonna go further down into this volume balance and then go back up. That's a potential. Back down to 669. Let's say 670. I've been saying that, haven't I? That 670 sounds very familiar. Oh, bless me! BTW, when your plane drops while landing, it's called a microburst. Oh, that's cool. But I refuse to be a disgusting 1 hour trader. Wow, OTT. Dom, how are you? Dom is going short, let's see. I say, okay, like teacher. Okay, like that. I flipping love that. Okay, let's see. 4 hour, we have a little bit of inverse for value gap going on over here. All the way back up. Where's 670? Around here. Okay, so this is better. 741. Awesome. Let's check the 1 hour. Then I'm going to check the liquidity on the 1 hour as well. Make sure I've marked out the correct stuff. That's correct. That's correct. Barely, but that one is correct actually. Done. Asia high makes no difference. That one's also correct. Asia low is correct. Look at all the sell side over here. Hey. I mean, looking at this, it hasn't been bad. I was a little lost the other day, but it wasn't hectic. Okie dokie then. Wow, that new weekly opening gap did absolutely nothing, I think, because it was broken through. It's now invalid. Okay, hourly, awesome. Let's go 15 minutes. New daily opening is right there. Asia high, Asia low. Let's see. Okay. Let's see if this is going to retrace to the Asia high before taking out the Asia low and potentially continuation to the sell side for the rest of the day. At least that's what I suspect could happen. It's a thought. It's a thought of what could happen. I could be wrong. Maybe this thing just dumps without going back up to grab the Asia high. See the 5 minute. I just need 80 more to end my day, but I might wait till AM session to do it. You've been shorting since 12? Wow. Wow, okay. Are you trail stopping? Or is your stop at break even? Are you just kind of waiting? What you doing? Can you explain that anomaly? Profit posted that really big drop. So that was, everyone was trying to decide if that was fake or not. So it was a wick on ES. I wonder if it's still there. Where was it, guys? Do you remember? Was it on Tuesday? It must have been Tuesday. So let's check the 4 hour chart. I wonder if it's, there was a little thing over here. Monday, Tuesday. Okay, they removed it. Okay, it's gone. I think there was a glitch. That massive wick down. I think there was just a glitch that happened. It was insane. But I'm sure, I hope that was just a glitch for a lot of people's sake, trading on ES, and that it didn't take anyone out. Scalping, I'm not in right now. I didn't, because I was trading yesterday better than last Thursday in the end. It was fake. You're in live in Discord. What do you mean? There I am. It didn't happen. I just got hacked to the past few days. I looked into that. It was caused by algo cells. It was a fake news factor. We often called algo cell. Okay, cool. I'm looking at the charts again because I got your notification. I was watching them. Aww, that's so sweet. What anime were you watching? Oh, it was only on Trading. Okay, thanks, OTT. Appreciate ya. I need to focus. What time we're looking at? Oh, here's open. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. Potential down we go. Here's the 3 a.m. open. I'm on the 5-minute. I was like, wait a second, what am I doing? This doesn't look right. We're still on the 5-minute. Here's the 3 a.m. open. I was a bit late. Cool. Everything so far has been opening to the bull side. Market had slowed down, so I took a break. Then YouTube post came up, so I turned off TV and watched. Aww. Thanks, Soldier. You're awesome. Maybe it was actually 2-1, just partials or break even, but closing full TP at 1 hour diabolical. New supply demand order blocks or 15-minute confirmation, 5-minute entry. OTT, I think I've asked you this question before. How much do you take at the partial? If you don't mind me asking. Okay, that's Nami. With good coffee. Guys, being able to rest up has been good. Has been great. And it's, guys, I can't believe, where has this week gone? How is it Friday already? I know it's probably because, you know, obviously I wasn't here Wednesday and Thursday morning, but I'm shooketh. And then literally in 3 weeks time, damn, I really need to start packing. In 3 weeks time, I move again. I'm not ready. No, I'll be fine. I'll be fine. I need to, okay. What was the question? The question was, how much of your position do you take off at 1 hour? In 3 weeks time, am I gonna have gray hair? Yeah, probably. You are probably not wrong. I'm probably gonna be gray and like stressed and frizzled out. People are gonna look at me like I'm losing the plot a little bit. Hey, I'm good. Why? I'm okay. Do I look sick? How are you doing? 1 to 2, 1 to 3 plus. Are you letting the trades play out more? It's only Thursday in the USA. Ah, sucker. No, I'm kidding. It's Friday here, but then, you know, on Friday I'm gonna be, oh, sorry, on Sunday I'm gonna be jealous that you're still, you know, in Saturday and vice versa. But it's Friday here in South Africa. Heck yeah. And today I look sick. I'm gonna go with it's the exhaustion and being tired. Maybe it's that. It might be that. Ooh. Okay, watching Midnight. Is low. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna wait for an A+ setup. I am currently on the funded. I must remind myself about that. Can you imagine I just took something here? Ooh! I thought something was missing. There we go. Ah, there we go. That's better. That was gonna bug me. It's like something's not quite right. Yeah, probably. I hate moving. It's mega stressful. Easily the most stressful thing to do for anyone. Apparently it's one of the top 5 biggest stresses a person can go through. Apparently, you know, it's something to do with like divorce, a death, moving, other things. But yeah, it's one of the most stressful things a person can go through. And I literally had to do this sugar honey iced tea last year, August. It's been less than a flipping year. And I'm moving back again. Kinda low-key regretting unpacking everything. Could have just left everything packed, lived off of boxes. But I'm not that person, unfortunately. Oh, that depends. But why not usually half the position? But at the same time, it depends how many points my TP is. I don't partial often, like the trade is like 50 points TP. Just go break even. Okay. Sambanani, what's up? How you doing, user? Maybe a little run, but never again. I really can't do it. My body refuses. We're friends here in from Zim. That is awesome. What's up, Boom? Try copy trading 5 accounts for the first time. Low-key is equivalent to moving stress. OTT, you have a point there. I've never tried it. I can believe you on that one. So the only question why I was asking, right? And obviously you do you. It's just the math was confusing me. So hear me out. If you don't mind. Can I just I'm just gonna say it and you can tell me, no, you're talking rubbish. Or you can be like, yeah, it makes sense, but I just like doing it my way. Also completely valid. So I'm just gonna draw something like this. Okay, and let's do 2. Okay. Make this a 1 to 2 R. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. So let's say you had a trade kind of like this, right? Just for funsies. And you partial half, right? At 1 to 1 R. And then your full TP is at 1 to 2 R. Correct? Okay. Why I'm confused and why I'm saying, does it, like, is there even any point in doing that is if you take half off at 1 to 1 R, you are earning the same amount at 1 to 2 R that you would if you'd taken a full TP at 1 to 1 R. Does that make sense? Like, let's say you're going to make... I hope that's kind of making sense. Like taking half the position, ooh, English, half of it off here at 1 to 1 R, you're only making, well, you're literally making the exact same amount you would have made with less likelihood of it reaching full TP if it goes all the way down. That makes sense? Sorry. It's always confused me. I know you've mentioned saying something like that before, and I was like I get it, but also I'm confused. ITT, as long as you're still securing profits and you don't run, you should be fine. I barely turned midnight. Friday started 7 minutes ago. Nice. I mean, still, it's still then Friday, which is awesome. it is still then Friday. I'd love to add my 2 cents, but I'm under the impression most of you here are trading lower time frames. Oh, then what time frame do you trade? No, I would take partials. But what I'm saying is, why bother? Sorry. Does that make sense? So that's like my question. So I'm not, okay, I hope you don't think I'm trying to like argue with you or something. I'm just trying to understand. I guess I don't really have to understand. I'm just confused. Like, why bother taking the partial? Why not just take full R? Please draw trend lines on the 1 hour. No, I will lose like 50 subscribers. If I drew a trend line. No, gosh. That's what I hope to teach your group. I enter on the 15-minute. Wow. Yeah, valid question. User trying to get bad. If it pulls back to 121 and rejects with the bear candle on the 5-minute, I'll sell. So you're saying, let's see, 121. I was in the 212 on the uptown. You know what's number, don't you? Do. So I don't know why that. Anyways. So you're saying if it pulls back up there and rejects with the bear candle on the 5-minute, you'll sell. I'm trying to get that. So OTT. So the only. Basically, because someone mentioned that math to me when I was then taking partials. They were like, you might as well take full TP at where you're taking partials in. And I was like, okay, I hear you. So then I started taking, again, it depends on how many contracts you have in. Like if you have 2 contracts, then you can only take half off at a certain point, right? But like if I had, let's say 5 contracts, I would then take 1 contract off at a certain point and then the rest off at full TP. So that literally the partial did just that. It secured some profits, but not everything, because obviously the main TP was the main profit-taking area. You never leave runners or take partials. Why? Yep, off the previous 5-minute block. So back down to Asia low. My buy at the high and less at low. Did you say buy at the high? Wow, I'm not that person. So for example, you take a partial and you make $100 and your full TP was, let's say, 400. Now TP is more likely going to be, let's say, 200. So you basically made less. So yeah, kind of, but especially with the, I think this is specifically with a 1 to 2R, right? I'm speaking more with 1 to 2R trade. A 1 to 3R would be a little bit different if you took a partial at 1 to 1R. Sure. 1 to 3R, because then you're still making double that. But I'm saying specifically a 1 to 2R trade. Let's say I'm gonna just use 2 contracts because it makes it easier. But let's say at 1 to 1R you take 1, right? And let's say you risked 100, so you're only making 100 there. No? Yes. Making 100 there, but then you're only gonna make, no. I've butchered something there. You wouldn't make 100 then off of that 1, sorry, you'd make 50 off of that. But then the next 100, you'd also only make 50, so you basically haven't earned anything extra. You haven't lost anything though, just statistically, it's more difficult for it to reach the 1 to 2R. You might as well have taken the full 100 off at the 1 to 1R. I hope that's making sense. Sorry guys, sometimes I'm really shocking at explaining things. Why do I see borderlines on this currency trader, but you don't use lines on your graphs? well, I'm not trading currencies. I'll ban them, say the word. I target a big move and live with the trade more often than not. Price will stall in and around my TP. Oh, interesting. No, OTT, but that's fair. But then, I guess, again, it depends on how many contracts you're taking, right? If you were taking 5, would you only take 1 contract? Okay, let's make it an even number. If you had 4 contracts, would you only take off 1 contract? Or would you take off 2 contracts? That's what I'm saying. Because the move is crazy, say you're in a trade, each high gets swept and that's like 60 points. You can either close or partial. No, 100%. I get that. Yeah, I think I was just speaking more of literally, because I remember, I don't know if you remember, I used to take partial at half point and then full TP at 1 to 2R. And I was like, wait a second, the math isn't mathing. I might as well have just taken full TP at 1R then, which is when I started moving my partial up and not taking like half. Sorry, hiccups. Sorry, we're having a whole like little bit of a debate here. Not really a debate, discussion. So Debbie, I don't take partials anymore. If I close a trade, I'm fully out or stop. I do trail my stop if I see choppy PF. For me, partials are not worth it. Interesting. See, I think partials, I agree with OTT. I think partials are potentially worth it so that if it does come back down to break even, you're still up more, right? You're still up higher than what you were if you hadn't not taken, you know, if it had just taken you out at break even. Yeah, you know, I think partials have their place. Like OTT said, actually, I think partials at like a sweep of the low or something is actually a really decent point of interest to have a partial, because that's where it could want to retrace further, could take you out at break even. Then at least you're still up more than you would have been if it was just a full-on break even. Yeah, I guess mostly the question is, do you take half off at break even? Because then it kind of makes no sense. Or do you just take like 1 contract so that if it is a break even, you're still more in the green than you would have been? Cool, guys. Gosh, okay. Sorry, Perry being the best boy and being super protective. All depends on okay. What's up, Jackson? And Ash? What's up? I noticed a lot of trades with small stop loss, whereas I set a wider stop loss target to try and hold throughout the session and go for the 1 to 2. Wow. Sorry. Okay, let me. Okay, he's calmed down a little bit. There we go. I got work from seeing the longer my stream. Good, but I get out early. That's everything. The chances I thought I told you and stuff. I thought I told me when that way. What did I just read? You said he crash soon. Well, I'm just waiting and watching. Let's see what we get, guys. See what we get. I'm waiting for my A+ setup. We might do a little coin toss. my phone types its own words. Wow. Your phone's on a mission, because I was like, what? It's not even typing words, it's putting it, like, putting in numbers. Your phone is creating its own damn language. Whee! Gosh damn, look at that go. Big decent spike down there. The biggest fan of that entry. Entry further down would be better. In that situation, OTC, you're right, definitely, but using say team, you have multiple trades in the day, so partials don't make sense when next trade is not far away. Partials are not worth it. For example, unintentionally have 25 extra notification. What's up, Jackie? Well, I didn't decide to stream tonight. You know, the only reason I wasn't here Wednesday, or depending where you at, I guess Tuesday night. Yeah, Wednesday night, I guess. Again, depending on where you at. For me, it was Wednesday and Thursday. It was my sister's quick decision wedding. She's not pregnant, believe it or not. Well, Shaki, that's just mean. Why do you want to give me a hard time? I'm doing my best, guys. Ah! Sorry. The only reason I'm saying ow is because, you know, when you how do I put this? I'm much better today. Yesterday I was a little bit like a zombie. I actually have energy today, which is fantastic. But you know when you're tired and like, I don't know how to explain this. And your eyes like burn. My eyes are low-key doing that. That's okay. Yeah, so that would have been a stop loss. That's why I didn't like this. This wickless over here is doing its own damn thing. It's out of love. Divvy, exactly. If you know how to high trade frequency, partials aren't needed. Maya, I'm feeling that. There we go. I was bored without you during London no stream. This is... Aww! Shaki, you're so sweet. It's just because we sit here and we joke and we talk and I don't shut up. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. I feel like a lot of traders are quiet and serious and I'm just like, hey guys! Speaking of hey guys, wait a second. And you know what? I'm not done, which is disgusting.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
A whiff, a whiff, a whiff. Sorry. I'm mocking my dog for some reason. Aw. Thank you for the heart. User said double bottom, trend lines, not double bottom. My heart aches. What's up, Daz? How we doing? Okay. Resistance only. This is why I don't trade in the bob levels. You see, there are no noses. Periwinkle. Okay. Sorry, he's being a good boy. He's protecting. he's protecting. It's Friday. The pool guys are here. So, you know, I'm proud of him, but good grief. Just doesn't stop. Barry, have a sweetie for you if you come here. I did promise him a sweetie. Now I have to give him a sweetie. What's up, Samuel? How you doing? I see you back in this direction area from Tokyo Open. A little bit, hey? Yeah, just a little bit. Oh, okay, you sat so nicely. Justice for Perry Meyer raised her voice. Where did Winkle come from? Oh, that's his full government legal name, baby. His full name is Perry Winkle. Yeah. Yeah, so we just call him Perry. I don't know. So he has you have a plethora of names. So Perry Winkle, obviously then went to Perry. And then Perry Bean, don't ask me why, but I call him Perry Bean. And then Beanbag or just Bean. Yeah. You know, Perry the Platypus, obviously that's a common one. Even use government name, oh no. Oh no, oh my goodness, okay, the walking continues. Oh, I have a joke for... Well, I have a kind of a joke to say to OTT, but I'll say it on the stream because I might get cancelled. My wife keeps... Pufferfish. They're affectionately known as murder beans in aquarium circles. That is so cute. Oh, thanks, Nick. There we go, guys. It's actually 35% off. Winning off of Tradify. Oh, which means Nick used my code. Nick, you're amazing. Thank you. Thanks for the love. Use the swing trading or the strat swing to swing. Please don't say swing to swing. Shorts or long? You would say shorty shorts. I'm leaning towards shorts, which makes me nervous. You know, Asia low is right there, but it's done this so many times where it's gotten close edged people, then gone up and reversed and basically taken out like Asia high, that's all the way up here, and then gone back down. It's been a little bit rude recently with regards to edging people, so I'm nervous to be like, yeah, I think it could go and do that. Because that could be a lie. Just buy, you'll thank me later. Come on. Go to paper. Or not. Excuse me, sir. Apparently I'm not allowed to trade paper today. Wow. Well then. What the heck? Oh, no, now it is on paper. I'm scared. I'm a tad bit scared now. Okay. Can we confirm this is the paper account? Yes, okay, this is paper. So he just said bye. Okay. Bye. Oh, come on. Wow, I don't think there's anything more frustrating than sometimes trading paper accounts. Anyways. Oh, Lem has a short bias, price made tech last week. So, oh, you work at Tradify? Oh, there we go. That's awesome. You work at Tradify. That is super, super cool. Whoop whoop badam, 180. Hey, whoop whoop. Oops, Maya, I'm using your code. There we go. Thanks, Demonte. Demonte, how you doing? You know when you just kind of... Cool. Oh, cool. Now I'm in for actually 6 because I clicked it twice. Oh well, we're in for 6 contracts. Let's see what happens. Let me see if I can actually change this now. Quickly to 35%. Thanks, Nick. Watch this now work out beautifully.
Nice.
Oh, there it goes. Wait. Wait a damn minute, except it's just tapped into open. What time are we looking at? 3:30. 1, 2. That's a B setup. That's not an A plus setup. Tapped into the 121 level. No, it's in the 212. Okay. That's a little bit better. Let's go, let's go, let's go. No! Come back! No! Oh my great giddy aunt. One, two, what does this look like on the 5 minute? Ugh. Okay. I might have to start trading Alpha Futures. Their live program sounds legit. What's up, Atlanta? Understand since paper can't see a B setup would work. Might have to start trading up. All of them are getting tired walking everywhere. Also with the if you only have balls, well, I'll keep using that. The semi big brain. Wow, that's I'm trying to decide if that's rude or not. I actually want to change this to 1. I literally thought that I'd actually done that, but whatever. Let's see, 1, 2. I want to see it go higher. Tap into VWAP. Okay, I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm gonna leave it alone. Except I don't like the... Okay, leave it, 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 leave it. Does being profitable on paper prove your system actually works? I dislocated my finger at work yesterday. That's not good. How did you do that? Atlanta, where you going? I'm trying to decide right now. Don't overload your brain. I know you're messing yourself up. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Oh. Okay. Tapped in there. If it takes out this high, I'm out. Isn't tapped in there. Did tap in there though. Okay. Still watching. I don't think this is gonna come back down. I feel like I've missed a bunch of messages. Sorry, guys. I'm 25 to the fish before it hit the ground. I work on something, it requires me actually focusing on it. That's weird for you. It looks like a non-news event. Augustine, what's up? Am I in this trade? Nope. It has it ran away without me. Yeah. Literally ran away without me. Shoot, man. Okay. To be fair, I am in on this trade on the paper. Let's see how the paper's looking. I think the paper's looking pretty grand right now. Up 500. Oh, let's make this at 200. Why not? Okay, there we go. 337. Don't even have a TP set for this. What type of people are we gonna be with regards to the TP here? We're being these people. I highly doubt we're gonna get that. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I think it's gonna retrace all the way to that drop candle. What's up, Hammer? How you doing? That's how we kill them off. Expecting you guys on it. I go short that little run. I always look for the volume. Stupid on Discord, just wanted to have it on Discord, just wanted to view a few things. What happened? OTT? What happened on Discord? I'm now intrigued. I feel like I've missed something good. Okay, nearly took out these relative equal highs. Can expect a little bit of a proper retracement now. Where was that? Well, I mean, here's a bearish fair value gap. Where was that fair value gap on the higher time frames? I should maybe go and double check here. Oh gosh, hello. That's a drop. Damn. What did it take out here? Tapped into that value gap. It's still think it's gonna go higher. Yeah, I still think it wants to potentially tap into VWAP on ES. Doesn't mean it's not going to retrace potentially further, but let's see. By a lot, I'm surprised you didn't notice. I was kicked from the Discord. I forgot to go back. Let's see if this actually works. I mean, I wouldn't have taken this trade. I wouldn't have taken this trade. Not on... So I'm talking about this one, sorry. Definitely not on my funded. I would not have taken this trade. Only possibility is I would think, oh, maybe it wants to reach the midnight magnet. Maybe it wants to go Bob level. But... that's about all I got. Yeah. No, what? Why does it have to be through my email? Wow. I was actually offended. Because I trade ICT. Wow, okay. I feel like there's a lot of drama going on. And I'm low-key gonna stay out of it. Sorry, that song is now gonna be stuck in my head. That I was in the T12. Do 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 do. Oh, I see. I did not realize that there was something that happened. Wait a second, when did this happen? Oh, damn. Oh, I did not see this drama. Wow. When did all this drama happen? Okay. 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 I'm gonna have to read all of this. I'm gonna have to sit and actually read all of this. Cool. Well, I'm gonna read back on all of that drama. Never mind. I see. I see what I missed. I'm gonna have to go back and read all of that later. Oh, wow. I'm gonna have to read off after the stream, or else I might be quiet for a real long time, but I see that there was indeed some drama shenanigans. Well, to be fair, OTT, I literally, like I said, I arrived home an hour before New York Open yesterday, and I literally kind of lay in bed and questioned my life. And then I streamed for an hour, and then I actually went to bed. So I haven't had time to do much. And then obviously I took Perry for a walk this morning because he hasn't been walked for like 2 days. Oh, wow. Okay then. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Yeah, no, she's back and we're doing them. I mean, wow. What the fuck? The audacity to call me fake and want to show him a pair. Dude, he's on paper trading actually. OTT, who was it? Who accused who? Here we go. Oh my gosh, where did this start? There we go. Okay, I see it started. Okay, I'm still scrolling up, by the way. Wow. Still scrolling. Still scrolling. Okay. What did I read? Okay, I think it was here. Cool. I will read that then. Yeah, all of this drama happened on Wednesday. No wonder I didn't see it. Cool. Okay, I will read through the dramatics. What's up, Lucky Man? How you doing? This journey is hard, but every day. Yeah, you winning. Thank you. Oh gosh. Gosh darn, you guys are hilarious. Okay, I'll read through everything just now. I feel like I need to go and get popcorn to read through that, to be honest. I'm low-key ready to get popcorn and sit and read through. I feel like I need to. Should we just we walk each other? What type of weird shenanigans are... Anyways. What I wanted to say, I feel like I need to just project the Discord. We can all just sit here and go through the drama together. But no, I don't think there's some non-PG-13 stuff going on there. I think no, Ollie commented there's definitely non-PG-13 stuff going on there. I will have to read now what happened. Let's make money, no dramas. There we go. Debbie, you want to go? Dude, freeze battle. Hello, now I gotta compete with some random. Exactly, user. Sorry, user, I didn't see how long did you say that you'd been trading for? Let's see. 5 years. Okay, so you've been trading for 5 years. If you don't mind me asking, apparently it might start a war, but I'm not gonna ask for proof. Are you profitable? Yes, no, maybe? User veteran Loki. Well, it depends. 5 years is a good amount. Yeah, I feel like 5 years. You know your way around. You've learned your lessons. You know what to do and what not to do. You found what works for you. I'm assuming you're profitable. I know, don't assume things. You assume things, you make an ass out of you and me, but still. Okay, let's see at this level what happens here. Give me something good. Gimme. Gimme a sell after midnight. Okay. 10 minutes to go until 4. Okay, still just gonna keep watching this. Ham, have you had a trade in yet or not really? Who has had a trade? I know Dom had a trade. Yes, I did a whoop whoop Dom. Who else had a trade? How's it looking? Are we happy right now? Are we sad? We excited? Boo? How are we all feeling? Also show if yes, we gotta verify now. Yeah. We're like, are you actually profitable? Show proof. You know, or else get out. You're not welcome. I'm totally joking. I hope you guys know I'm joking. Everyone is welcome here, unless you're mean. Then get out. Only love allowed here. Love, support, and apparently flat earthers. Hammer, mad love. Kidding. I saw your comment and I giggled at you and I was like, okay. I now know. I know the answer to my question. I synthetics no news drama. You made 50 cents. That's better than nothing. I'm like, can you buy me a Porsche? Looks like could be building happy now that you're here. Aww, I was saying, how are you? Love the human chill vibes. Yeah, heck yeah, guys. We chilling. Did that seriously come tag me out as now going back up? Rude. If you guys watch Friends, you know what I just did. Check this full range is actually slowly, let me not speak too soon, but appears to be working out right now. I mean, this is a very, 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 very cheeky, sneaky trade that I don't think would work. I mean, more like a B. Okay, now it's not. Should we test this? Oh, wait, I'm on paper. Oh, well, no, okay, it's on paper, so screw it. I was gonna say, should we test this out for funsies? I was actually going to do it on the funded, but we're on paper. Let's just leave it on paper for now. Sure. Up to midnight magnet low-key by the looks of things. Damn, I don't hate this trade. I actually kind of want to take it on my funded. Just for one. Come on. Change. Cool. Up to midnight magnet. I gotta at least do 2 with this one, damn. The limit, sorry. Oops. Okay, I want to see a bit more of a rejection there. Oh, it rejected off the 50% of this wick. Clearly at the very start of this. Jeez, I don't think. Oh damn, Dom is looking for a sell. And I just entered into a buy. Oh well, it is what it is. Hammer, yes, but I really want a pink Bugatti. Oh no! Okay, that didn't work. But I liked it, so I took it. I'm being more bold with taking the trades I like. Mother fluffer. So rejection off of the 50% of the wick. And we are now in a bit of a chop suey situation. That's fine. Boo. Remember what I said about 2 steps forward, 1 step back? 2 steps forward, 1 step back. Ah. Nyet. Okay, then how are we looking for the balance? Assuming as we're down a bit. 8, 5, 6 is what I mean by 2 steps forward, 1 step back. I go forward and then I go back. I rode that first long with you, but not interested in new ones until we accept over Nyoklo. I could get you on in 140 years. There we go. That's the way. Oh, I nearly closed all of that. I need to quickly just update the balance. Oh man, unfortunately a little bit of a loss there, but it is what it is. Oh wait. Balance here. 856. Nope. I'm being a chop. I'm so sorry. There we go. 56.70. Ta-da! Quite a bearish look. Being red under green. But you'll get the click where everything in your strat just starts making sense. You know, OTT, it's okay. I mean, check, I technically... Okay, let's see what it does here. Let's see what it does here. I'm just happy I'm taking the trades now. Remember when I was like too scared to even take the trades? Right? And I liked this one, even though technically it was a B setup and I still took it. Which is fine. Is it fine? Should I actually be a little bit... Wait! I gotta do this for Debbie. This is for Debbie. Because my stop loss was hit. Dag nabbit. Oh no. I don't want to move where I am in the Discord, or else I can't read all the drama. I'll just have to post it later. Yeah, it'll be fine. These setups aren't really wrong. It's all about accepting the risk, honestly. No, that's fair. Maybe I should have just kept it at 1 contract, but I'm sorry, $15 was just... That was pushing it a little bit, so... Rather take the 30, accept that risk, it's fine. My car is a Porsche. Restoring. My, you need a hammer time, Kwon. What, like a stop? Hammer time. 80. Did it, that one. It looks like once it's going to want to reclaim 151 as support. Yeah, just had to take me out first a little bit, hey? Got in a little bit of a chop suey situation. OTT. Did you get that Bugatti? What's up, Arthur? How you doing? Anyways, I must say this, Loki started finding a lot of good trades when I stopped chasing the perfect setup rather than am I gonna be frustrated since trade loses? Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, I mean, like I said, with this one, let me quickly see something. Ah, you must be freaking kidding me. No, but that was following absolutely no rules, so that's fine. Like I said, I liked it, so I took it. It didn't work out. It is what it is. Not all of them are gonna be winners. That's just not how this... I nearly called it a game. It's just not how trading works. Trading's not a game, it's a lifestyle choice. A poor one, but it's a lifestyle choice. Why is that an unrealistic goal? OTT, an unrealistic goal would be wanting to be happy. Such a good one. I'm gonna like sit myself in a corner for saying that. I'm sorry, that was the dark humor that came out. It's been a long week. It's been a long week. Apparently there's no more filter. Okay, here's the 4 AM candle. It's gonna open here, so it is gonna go and take out the highs. It just had to mess around first. Ah. I'm throwing a futures trading party with mechanical bulls. Not really yet, what? Are you okay? You hurt me? Jackie, get unhinged, Maya! Flip. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That was funny though. Come on. You cannot deny me the funnies that was, because it was good. Sorry, I'm like nearly crying. That was, yeah. Anyways. Yeah, gosh darn. This is what nearly 2 weeks of really bad sleep gets, guys. This is what's happening. What's up, Jules? How are you? I absolutely love that you call me Maya Bean. I hope you know that, because I call my dog Perry Bean. Even if it's unrealistic, it's not like I was gonna have to start with unrealistic beliefs would actually be profitable. We push through. Am I having a fun sesh? I actually am. I had a little loss here, which is unfortunate. Check. I mean, it's not like it just wicked me out. It did technically wick me out, but by quite a distance, so it's fine. Had the correct idea, just wrong entry. Oh well. We move on to the next. Okay, so now tagged into Midnight Magnet. Took out the highs. Are we gonna start dropping down now? Loki looks like it might start dropping down now. Delusion is what made us great. It's Jules. He my role model. The pain elevation got you for real. FNB is calling me. What did you do? I took a long there, old limb, but it wicked me out. My stop loss was a tad bit too tight. It's fine. But yeah, I actually took a long here. Like I said, correct idea. It's the wrong range. Okay, tapped into the Midnight Magnet and now rejecting off of that pretty properly. So what is frustrating? Where did I have this one? This one I had here. This was my original setup. Oh damn, wouldn't have even hit. It would have been a break-even trade. That would have made me angry. Never mind. That's fine. I'm gonna get some tea. If you want some tea, just read the Discord, Hammer. Sorry, I had to do that uncomfortable eye contact thing. Like I said, we're doing unhinged shenanigans today. I love it. I'm here for it. No, but Jules' trading style is the most badass I've ever seen. Jules is intense. I've sat there and I've listened to Jules before, and you know when you just feel dumb? Like I just sat there and I was like, oh my gosh, apparently I know nothing. That is how Jules made me. He is so advanced that I was just there going, okay, right. I need to just be better. That is literally what I was thinking the whole time. No, not in a bad way. Not in a bad way. You're just so like up there that I'm like, oh damn, your goals, basically, Jules. That's what I'm saying. Not in a bad way. I like straight up goals. Jules, it's a good thing. It's a goose. I nearly said a goose thing. Honk. It's a good thing. Oh, damn, OTT, why you got so much hate on poor Tori? What did she do to you? Jules made me realize there's levels, like similar to the Bob levels. I remember, Jules, you mentioned the Bob levels. You also mentioned the 50% retracement. You said you kind of have started to incorporate them together. Do you still use the... I just call it the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has... Is it the Elliott wave? Yes? No? Maybe. I'm so bad with that one. I call it the W. Have never been able to and still cannot see that damn W for the life of me. I bluffed. The honk killed me. You charge people 6k to teach them trend lines. If they're profitable, you know, I guess. Right? It works for them in the grand scheme of things. I guess 6k is nothing. It's okay. We're just gonna have to have a call on Discord. I'm gonna have to join the order flow chat soon. Things are about to change. So. Anyways. The more videos pop up, the more I start understanding why villains did what they did. Wow. Damn, Debbie Savage. Oh my gosh.
Emotional damage.
Oh my gosh.
Emotional damage.
Sorry, I didn't feel like one was enough. Damn, Debbie, I was not expecting that. That was a flipping fatality, that one. It's the same one. In fact, my top 2 is Tori and Alex. Wow. I'm number 3, aren't I? I knew it. I'm number 3 on OTT's hate list. I mean, what's up, Monster Mo? How are you doing? You made 60 in the last 2 days. MG Mark, so much emotional damage. Very much. I have no problem with any trading style or idea. If they get it, go for it. I just can't watch certain people. I'm not sure where they're going. Talk about fatality. Did you see the new Mortal Kombat movie? I've not seen that at all. Did you see this? Not that one. So this one? No. It is not this one. Good grief. Here we go. This feels silly. But you have to do that. Yeah. Let me do this. If Maya decided to start a trading course, I didn't trust her more than any other. Aww! Eddie, you're so sweet. No, that makes it easy to just buy and ride. Hammer agreed. I'm seeing Nasdaq. Okay, sorry. I'm keeping an eye out here. Do you know what time it is, guys? Seeming as now it's not giving me an A+. Okay. Stop. Coin time. Okay, the coin said bye. Oh, for 13. Sure. The stop loss is way too big, but it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. God, I'm actually gonna do that. So I'm willing to risk. Oh, that itty bitty stop loss. Oh well, it's fine. They watched Netflix videos on $1 to $1 million. Straight face said the guy was legit. Why? Good, I'd rather learn to use a GAN box. Oh, are you hating on my GAN box, OTT? Trading is boring. It's meant to be boring, user. Uh-oh. Trading is meant to be boring. If it's not boring, you're doing it wrong. We just have fun here because we talk a lot of sugar honey iced tea. That point tossing strap probably has a higher win rate than... Oh. Jackie, butterfly of the day. I've not done butterfly of the day yet. I'm sorry, I'll be better. Let's have a look. I maybe shouldn't have put 13 contracts in on this coin toss, but here we go. You heard me right, guys. I said 13. Ah! It's going! No! No, I'm kidding. Again, paper trading makes no difference in my life. I'm gonna have 15 for having these instead of paying 6 keys to draw a trend line. What can I say other than well done, Tori? Exactly. Okay. Trading should be not boring, but mechanical. Discipline always with risk and setup. Same, isn't it? Right? It's so mechanical that it's almost predictable, and it's a lot of sitting and waiting for your setup to appear. You know, it can be boring, which is why I got this awesome community to keep me entertained. Betwixt. Well, to be fair, we keep each other entertained with all the shenanigans. Yes, I have hiccups again, don't judge me. Yo guys, apparently I'm doing something wrong. Hey. Sure. Jules, no. Jules, you scared me. Do you know what you did? I could have died. Why are we going sideways? We are basically stuck betwixt the opening and the 4 hour. We are stuck in this range. We're stuck in this range. Ah. I would say coin toss did me dirty, but I to be fair, I did the coin toss dirty by putting in 13 contracts. Let's maybe not be dumb. 3's good. We could do 3. I'm thinking about getting a standing desk and putting in a treadmill to keep from vegging out. Oh, that's really not a bad idea. I have respect for that. It's just the problem is I'd get so focused. Sometimes multitasking is not my strong point in life, right? So I'd be like, oh, there's a trade, and I'd stop walking and I'd probably like fall on my face. If it was a treadmill, like if it's something that you move for yourself, different story, because then if you stop, it stops, but then I would like lean forward and then I'm clumsy. I think maybe that's what I'm trying to get out of this, is that I'm clumsy. I would most likely like face plant so hard if I did that. Yeah, it's, you know, 16 to Tarantino by trading force. Yeah, sorry, you were not listening. If I took you saying that, probably to retire my family. Heck, man, I would be a millionaire if I took you by. To be fair, I did take a buy signal. Where was it? It was over here. It took me out over here for a whatchamacallit. What you call it? break. Yeah, no, I guess I just had a bit of a trailing stop loss. No, that was sassy, my bad. OTT, are you letting your inner diva out? Is it Oceana who's come to play? Love it. I'd probably wait till I enter trade or do it while I'm waiting for my setup, then stop walking. Exactly. I wouldn't like it. I go for real walks on the farm when I'm done trading. Okay, but to be fair, Hannah, a lot of people don't have that, I want to say privilege. Okay. Sorry, just checking that this isn't anything super... Oh, my goodness, fine. Won't let me read the messages without unlocking. Okay. Okay, cool. Done. Done. Officers down. Just almost. What? The trend on trade is killing it like Tory. Okay, Debbie, you have a point, right? Like, as much as people bash ICT, do you know how many people come on here and say that they trade ICT strategies? Or they use some of his concepts? I don't think I've ever had someone hop on here that said, yeah, I trade. But to be fair, it's not exactly like it's titled trendline trading. I wonder if I had to change the title of this to trendline trading, would we get trendline traders that pop up? Does that make sense? Like maybe it's just, you know, they're watching other people. I don't know. Debbie, you got me thinking now. I should take the dog for a walk after a sesh. Give her this, she does have good psychology talk. What's up, Arthur? Why are we putting question marks there? I'm watching this go sideways. Questioning my life choices. Why are we? Oh, there's news later. There's news later, right? There do be news later. That's probably why. There's something at 12:30. Cool. And then 8:30, I see there's something, and at 10. Ah, it's the NFP at 2:30. Cool. Awesome. This bang a trend on trade. Okay, damn. Okay, OTT. Then I don't know. Okay. I don't know. I'm good at what they do. Happy NFP day. There we go. The visionary. What's up? How you doing? Thanks, Never. It's not even stuff. Vision only. So who gambling NFT with me? Heck yeah, OTT. Let's do it. Oh, NFP. Oh, were you wondering why it was going a little bit slow? Slow, just like me. The rules and discipline makes them work. Honestly, most people don't have the patience to do that on a 4-hour time frame. Jules, are you talking about train lines? And if NFP precaution, NFP most likely won't spike trades in the US are finally coming around to the old close, but I could be wrong. Oh. Okay. We're good. Oh, I hope we're not getting sick after all the flipping, flying, and I've been doing. Did we agree to follow types of traders from spawn resistant auto flow, but yet still see a trendline trader? Tories trend lines? So you're saying they only work on the higher time frame and you have to be really patient and wait for it. But when it works, right? Jules, is that what you're saying? Have you tested it? I don't always trade NFP. Not good enough. I'm not already in a trade. Only when last did red models do anything. Kind of move, I reckon like 60 points, give or take. You know it's gonna prove you wrong just because you said that, OTT. It's now gonna be a hectic move. Do you know what me thinks? Me thinks... Not yet. It's nearly time for butterfly of the day. Butterfly of the day. Can we get a trade here, please? No? Cool. Made $1,000 yesterday. Damn, visionary, that's awesome. I've spoken to several institutional traders. They burst out laughing that retail traders rely on the trend lines. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. Yeah. On a high enough time frame, NQ has been nothing but bullish. Yes. I use trendline liquidity. Don't get me wrong. High resistance liquidity run. Resistance liquidity run, but the way to retrace like laser beams. That's brilliant. Here we go. Bruh, this is basically the same trade as here. If I really, except this one would have done exactly what I wanted it to do here. Basically, nearly exactly the same, except I thought Midnight Magnet would work out. Rude. That was a little nasty, but it's okay. Basically the exact same setup. It just didn't work here. Worked out beautifully there. Here we go. Up, 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 and away. There it tapped into VWAP on ES. I did say that's where I thought it was gonna end up going on ES. Let's see, no ways. Is it actually doing this? Remember I said I think it's going to edge Asia low and then actually head for Asia high. Still a possibility. It's very rude if it does that. That's all I'm gonna say. That is diabolical if it does that again. The market has been manipulated an hour for time. Usually time means more. Hammer, okay, done for the day. Did you get the buy? Didn't hold, it broke through and will bounce. Okay. I'm trying to tap in. I'm trying to start trend lines up, subject to institution, trend line, price up. Constants. Yep, was my daily target. Hey, hammer. Okay, nice. Hammer's rock and rolling. Well done. Whoop whoop for hammer. Oh, okay. User's getting upset. I definitely see what it will do. Small Christmas. Okay. What's up, Steve? How are we doing? Again, guys, I cannot stress this enough. I fully believe that every single strategy works. You just have to know how to execute it correctly and the correct confluences, the correct signals, the correct confirmations, you know. Every strategy can work. You just have to know when and how and what the correct market is. So please, I don't want anyone to think that we're actually hating on any strategy. They all work. They all have their people that it works for as well. It's VWAP, Jules. The key is pay attention to swing highs and swing lows. Anything can work if you understand it. You can do it. Exactly. So yeah, I don't want anyone to think that we're hating on. I mean, some people are hating on, but you know, a lot of people hate on everything. Because not everything is going to work for everyone, or else life would be so boring. Guys, imagine everyone well, no, there would be no trading. If everyone used a winning strategy that worked 100% of the time, there would be no market. Excuse me. Aww. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Oh well. Going aw, because I don't hate this trade. Oh, actually. If it weren't for the fact that it was in the bob level and it just tapped into VWAP on ES, I would say maybe this would actually be a banger. Shucksy doodle. Oh well. It's okay. Oh, I am on paper. Okay, I can take this on the paper. Let's see if it comes this far down. I'll take this on the paper trade. Why not? Sure. Let's see what it does. I hate on personalities and things people do. There we go. And hammer! That's valid. Nice I'm so nice institutions then all the time. All them. I'm new on your channel. What's up, the market rider? Glad to see finally somebody trading the Nasdaq during the London session. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. How you doing, market rider? Welcome. Welcome. Welcome to the chaos. I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. We're a bunch of weirdos. But we have fun together, and I think that's the key, right? The key to having fun. Especially sometimes when markets are just so ding-dang boring. And have fun together and chill and discuss things and hear different people's theories, different people's opinions. This is a paper trade, by the way. This is not on my funded. I did, so for anyone that's just hopped on, I did have a little loss earlier on my funded. Boo. It's okay. Correct idea, wrong entry point. If I had taken the same trade literally over here, it would have been a winner. And you know what? Stuff happens. Move on to the next trade. This one's just on paper because it is nice, I just don't like where it's situated. I feel like this could... Yeah, that's basically just it. It is a nice trade, I just don't like where it's situated. Either it's not going to come and tag me in, or it's going to retest further down, back into this little bit of a range. But I'm trying it out on the paper because I can. Weirdos stick together, heck yeah! Buyers are now defending. Market, you're so long like me. Ah, no, it didn't tag me in though. So I needed it to retest into the 50%. So that's essentially what I do. I get in with a limit on a 50% retest, which it didn't do. Rude. Whatever. So I'm gonna keep following this until it's at a point where I don't want to follow it anymore. Let's see how it reacts here. Could still go back down. Once we get out, potentially we can get in on another buy. I'll just have to zoom out and get confirmation that there's no... Okay, here's a little bit of liquidity. Let me actually just quickly... Liquidity... 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 So I'm just marking these out, just for me to take note of them. Let's see, sorry, it's looking a little bit chaotic now when I do that, I apologize. Just want to see how they react there. quick look at this. Yeah, rats. This one's actually quite nice. Except for the fact that this 50% is right there. Okay, well, got rid of that fair value gap. 1, 2. This is a little irritating because I actually... Sugar honey iced tea, I might be too late. I do like this trade. Give me a second. I thought you should work. He looks similar to Rebecca. That's cool, so what? I'm gonna have to go. We'll break the last one soon. Harrison, what's up? How are we doing? Oh, rats. Oh, okay. It just took out. I was too late. Are you flipping kidding me? Would have been this trade. I would have most likely been break even by now. Oh, okay. I did take out all of that. Like, am I overthinking again? I feel like I'm starting to overthink again. Bad. Bad, Maya. Except for the fact that I did take out all of this liquidity on ES now. Oh damn, fully automatic, Harrison. And how's it been going? I'm assuming well. Right, okay, so wait, looks like it's headed towards a break even. Let's see what it does here. It was a solid rejection. Okay. This overthinking is giving last year November my... I know, right, OTT? Where do I come from? I'm from South Africa, guys. How's it going? Okay, potential break even? Trade? Yeah, okay. So this one would have been a break even. Nothing gained, nothing lost. Still a bummer though. Don't ever think if we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. No emotion. Bad mice. Oh gosh. What time? What do you mean what time do I have now? Do you mean what time is it now? It is 10:34 a.m. in South Africa, if that's what you're asking, by the way. Okay, this liquidity gone bye-bye. That one is still there. Oh, that's hilarious. OTT, do you know what's terrible? Is that I can actually picture you doing that. Being like, no! No! And I'm like, what the heck, man? kind of, yeah. It's I must say, South Africa trading times do be the bomb.com. Okay, let's see how it reacts. Oh. A little bit of a rejection. The sellers have come to play on NQ. They have not come to play yet on ES though. ES I expect a little bit more of a retracement, but it's just not happening yet. Sorry, we're now just watching this play out. Let's go back to the paper. Let's see. Like I said, this would have been a break-even trade, so it's fine. It is what it is. I still have this one set up. Let's see what happens with this. Feeling less good about this one, not gonna lie, but I would do. I know you would. Hey, Brood? Can I call you Brood? Was it Debate? Yes? From Mossel Bay? What up? Another fellow South African. Let's wait for last week's score. Is going well for now, but I need 10 months to validate a funding account with maximum. Oh my gosh, 10 months. That's long. Double bottom on both ES and NQ. What do you mean? Oh, are you looking like higher time frame wise? Is that what you're saying, old Lim? What's up, Gok? How are we doing? I actually need to sleep. I haven't slept. OTT, what the heck, man? Go to bed. I'm gonna sound like your mother. In my long time no see. What's up, Factory? Every day, but I've been away. How have you been? I missed your analysis. Got a Discord. I'd love to try and do some market analysis. Oh, go on, Factory. I do have a Discord. It is in the description of this video. Damn microwave right this too many of us South Africans. He's just intimidated by us because we are so cool. We are the coolest people out there. South Africans are awesome and we know how to have fun. Just saying. Just saying. No effect on this band. 75 suspicious. You lucky I read the whole thing. Yeah, high time frame, double bottoms on both. There we go. Mike the Goat! It's Mike the Goat, guys. How you doing, Mike? I feel like I know I'm gonna get upset by whatever happens. No, wait, maybe not. Probably though. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. When you're feeling FOMO, fear of missing out, just in case no one knows, paper trade it. Just paper trade it. Reminds you why you don't do that. Or it'll make you regret. No, I'm kidding. I don't think I'm trading today. I don't know if I can take a trade this tired. Yeah, OTT, no, go to sleep. You're gonna have a nap or something. That was me yesterday. Why do you think I didn't? Well, no. Why do you think I didn't take a trade during New York yesterday? I was way too tired. I was not thinking like a normal person yesterday, and I was like, nope. I'm gonna do something dumb. Let's maybe not do that. I'm still keeping this up out of curiosity. Pure curiosity. I don't like trading in the bob level though. The market rider, you think it should be a short now? I want to have a good weekend. See you next week. Oh, cheers, old lamb. Bye. Hope you have an amazing weekend. Clearline markets will up. You are doing good for a girl. Thanks. I think. They say the best thing for a trader is sleep. Maybe good old lobotomy. Maybe I'm not okay. Ooh, aw. It's in the bob level. Sorry, I was looking at this going, wait. This needs to be a little bit lower. This do look pretty decent for a shorty short though. Although it's completely contradicting this trade over here. But it's a little shorty short. It's a shorty short further down into there. Ew. To be fair, the entry would be better down here for a short. After sleeping, we need you here. The stream 24/5. Bruh. To be fair, I am back New York open. So I'm not here 24 hours a day, but I do stream London and New York open. You're good woman considering how unfair you are. Oh! Wow, Microwave rocks up and is mean. Microwave, you know, I didn't read all the drama. OTT pointed out that there was drama on Wednesday that I did not see. So guess what I'm gonna do after this stream? I'm gonna sit there. I need to make myself some popcorn and I'm gonna read through all of the drama that happened on Discord. I can't believe I missed it. It's the autoflow monkey, Michael. On the brink of madness. Too late now for the short. Nah. Let's see what this does. Is this going to be an instantaneous death? Or are we good? AGI. Guys, I think my poor face is not used to having makeup on. I had to wear makeup for the damn wedding. Okay, we're good. When you see cartoon characters holding up the chart, it's time for rest. You know what? When I start making comments that sound awfully close to Mikuwabe, then I know that I need to sleep because I'm being mean and unhinged. Is the only way I like this? Oh no, 100%. Gox, they don't. No, I'm not panicking at all. Sorry, this is it's not even on my funded. I hope. No, yes, it's not on my funded. This is just a paper trade. I wouldn't have taken it for one main reason. Well, actually two things. Number one, I don't like where VWAP is. Second of all, I don't like trading in this bob level. Only when we get out of the bob level, which is why I took it on the paper account. Like I said, I did see this one earlier. It would have been a break-even trade, so nothing gained, nothing lost. Harrison, good for a girl. You do realize there are stats showing women achieve higher returns on average than men in trading, right? Oh, but home lavender. Sorry, that's Afrikaans. Forget him. Yeah, this is not the correct stream to come and make bad comments about, yeah, things and stuff. You're gonna get beaten up, and it's not even by me. I love it. Where's Jules at the bro sleep? Well, after finding out that he colorblind. Oh, wait, what happened? Were you guys on a live call and you called out that he's colorblind? Because there was 3 out of 4 of you that were colorblind in that chat. That is ridiculous. I did not know that. Surely you see that on BBC, huh? What? Harrison, no? Macro, but did you know my strat is the one that I use? That's how good it is. Harrison, just be careful about what you're gonna say. Just careful. It is actually stats. I have Googled it. Let's actually Google it for funsies. That looks like it's about to hit. Oh, Harrison is not gonna like this. Harrison, are you ready for this, bud? Oh, you're gonna be hating on all of us real soon. Statistically, women outperform men in trading and investing. Studies from major institutions like Fidelity Investments and the Warwick Business School show female— I feel like I butchered all of the names there— show female traders and investors achieve higher annual returns, primarily due to behavioral differences rather than financial knowledge. The statistical edge women have in trading comes down to a few key behavioral advantages. Lower trade frequency, cool, less overconfidence, better risk management, and holding discipline. It is worth noting that men vastly dominate the trading space in terms of sheer numbers, according to accounting for about 90 to 92% of all retail traders. I can't read today. Despite the smaller pool, women reliably yield better returns. There we go. There's a little fun fact for a Friday. Boom, bothered for a lot of guys. Sorry about that. What's that? On that pulse supply from an option to buy, reverse it until then. This is why they kept talking about it in the chat room. We kept going on and on. I just said to all of them, I'm gonna offer. That's gonna be amazing. Realize Ninja hasn't said anything. Good morning. Your stop is in the true day open. Why? What's up, Boris? Number one, this is a paper trade. That's about it. Yeah. It's just a paper trade. I'm just seeing something. That's end of story. Yeah, there's nothing special about it. There's a reason I didn't take it on my funded account. Female long-term trading, male short-term trading, swing trading, etc. Okay, let me go check it out. Oh no, even Google lies. Wow! Well, I definitely failed. On the low trade frequency metric, you tell the guys my women yield better returns. Yeah, baby, why not? Challenge on market. Huh? I don't understand. Harrison, what are you asking? Okay, that's also a valid question. Let's ask. Okay. At day trading. It doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't really say. It just says, yeah. Yeah, it doesn't really say if it's specifically swing trading or day trading. It just says females just get a higher return. And again, it's not all females, obviously. Definitely not me right now. And amateur trade in Roman's Cup as a woman. That's interesting, Tim. I was really hoping that little one would message back. Am I trading like a financial institution? No, I'm definitely not. Why? I never seen it. A little. So 5% right here is good, I think. Sure. Okay, let's see what this does here. It did tap into VWAP now on ES. On ES. Like I said, leaving this alone. It is right at Midnight Magnet over there. Again, this is on the paper account. If anyone was curious. What did I say about this damn trade here? I said I liked it for a short if the entry was around this level. It would have been a banger short if the entry was around that level. Shucksy doodles. Oh well, it's okay. It's the same way that women are better drivers. What? It's to do with... Theoretically, is it not to do with caution? Right? Check yesterday's closes. Whee! Oh, right, yeah, okay. Well, not necessarily the close, but yes. Is that liquidity taken? Oh, we actually just low-key in a bit of a range right now. Okay. It is, which is why I added this stochastic. Yeah, okay. I feel like I'm very outnumbered, so I should not be having this argument right now. Well, this debate rather. This is not an argument. I could make it one, but I am very outnumbered right now. Like, shall we do a poll? I think I'm actually getting to her. Keep digging. Okay, let's see. Who? I feel like I can't ask this question either on this. I don't know how to word this. Never mind, I won't do it. I feel like I'm gonna get in trouble if I do that. It's fine. Aww. Aw, it took me out. Ooh, wait. Wait. Go back. Do you guys use... What's that? User? I don't even know what that is. So, no, I guess, is the answer to that. Back to Midnight Magnet. I'm not... How do I put this? I'm not seeing anything today. Like, I'm not seeing anything. I'm like, ooh, this is it. Apart from this one. And it didn't work out, which is fine. Like I said, exact same trade here would have been perfect, but it is what it is. I don't like that it's on the midnight over here. You know, it's a decent fair value gap followed by that. Theoretically, this one isn't bad. Wow. Just wow. Okay, a little bit of a loss today. Got already 2 TPs on my short. Nice. This is better. Secret of trading is psychology. Definitely. Meanwhile, trading stock follows. Damn, market rider, look at you go. Apparently I need to buy, guys. Okay, buy. Everyone was yelling at me to buy, so I bought. Yes? No? Maybe? Can you imagine if streamers actually did that? Like on their... Streamers like, yeah, people are yelling at me to buy, so I bought. I agree with me. Yes, I don't know about drivers. Somebody is trolling. You'll be stopped out, I think. Market, probably. Again, it's on paper. I sometimes do this to, maybe not prove a point, that sounds nasty, but low-key prove a point, you know? Can't just yell at people to buy or do something. Imagine it works now. I'm definitely then gonna start doing whatever user says. If this works. Have I ever tried to swing trade? I have not. Good, I have not. Like, I'm not a swinger. If my favorite of you are telling them to shorten you passed an email that way. That is hilarious, Shaki. Women can't drive, bro. They want to. Then the guy kept telling him to short, so he clicked buy out of spite and passed. I have so much respect for that. That is amazing. That is amazing. Well, he said buy, so I bought. See what happens. See, he's just brave because he did it on his actual account. I don't know if I would do that on my actual account. Paper account, sure, but on my actual account, maybe not. This poor paper account. Can you blow up paper account? Because I'm getting close. What happens if this reaches 0? Do I get kicked out of, I don't know, do I kicked out of TradingView? What happens if that reaches 0? Of course he's name. Interesting strategy. Again, this is not my strategy. This is me just messing around a little bit because... Sorry. Saying no because of this. This is my strategy. This over here, this is what this trade would look like. Sugar honey iced tea. Stop loss at 0.2. TP at 1.1. There we go. This is my strategy. Look at it being a winner. Dagnabbit. Okay, there we go. Would have literally ticked in, gone down, win. Oh well. I did see it. I did contemplate it. I wanted a little bit more confirmation. It is what it is. Now we just continue on to the next. Wait. What's up, some guy? How you doing, Debbie? Just typed it. Sounds like something from Harry Potter. What did Debbie type? Double exponential moving hammer. Amazing. It's just amazing to watch. He's a good trader, but hindrance when someone triggers him on pure comedy. That is awesome. They're not like, no, I don't. Do I hindrance? Sometimes I do. Awesome guy. It was good. It was good. It was it was interesting. But she's happy, he's happy, they're all happy, so cool. I sat there and I bit my tongue and I said nothing. I'm just happy I got to see my horse. So I had a good time. Equipment tries to use this signal never fails. He doesn't have a stop loss. That's a bit of a pity. Oh, it's a new hourly. Okay. Oh, this poor thing. Okay, I can feel that I'm overthinking again today, which is irritating. So we know what that means. Okay, let me give it a minute. First of all, let's do butterfly of the day. I think let's start with that. I don't know why. Seriously, you would think a day and a half off. It's very irritating. You would think having days off would be better. It's almost like it messes with my brain more. Okay, you ready for butterfly of the day? Oh, wait, he said bye. Oh, wait, guys, we have to bye. He said bye. Okay. I'm so sorry. I bought, guys. Look, I bought. Good grief. Look at that. Where's stop loss go? Stop loss go down here? Stop loss there. Cool. Come on. Let's have him sleep eludes me. How you doing? What's up? 5 a.m. for you. That's amazing. We're saying money bag. You'll be stopped again. I don't know if I could try to, but we're messing around now. Solidly messing around. You know what? At least we have fun here. At least we have fun here. Ah. Until it starts working, then I shut up real quick. Debbie, it's on the paper. It's on the paper, I think. It's on the paper. Don't panic. Oh my goodness. Worst entry ever. Wow! Oh, you didn't send the paper trading screenshot. Why are you sending money bags? I'm so confused. Where would I take TP up here? Let's be greedy. Let's make it the midpoint there. Anyways. Hey Rashab, what's up? On my actual funded account with real trades, let's say 2 to 3, depending on the day. On the paper account, for funsies, quite a few. Either prove a point, have fun, or literally, yeah, I guess those are the two things. Prove a point, have fun, or test something. I honestly don't get what was wrong with those guys. I was just saying, you actually did market and trade. You don't like to market in, so well done. Paper. Oh, thanks, Debbie. Yeah. I don't understand it. Me and marketing in are not friends, hey? I don't know. We are not buddy. I don't know what I did to the market in thing, but it hates me. GG, perhaps keep breaking it. Why keep getting up all the time? Wow. Yeah, this is not looking promising, not gonna lie. Not looking ideal. User, you did me dirty twice times. Oh, no, now it's going up. Oh my gosh. You know, I swear the market's doing the opposite of what I say today. When I'm like, I think this is gonna happen. It goes, no. Well, we're in this now. Try market in during NFP on paper. I would never know which direction to market in on. How do you decide which to market or which way to market in on, Deb? Just let's write them for just go between them, 1, 2, eeny, meeny, miny, mo, stop and be like, oh, salad is. Is that what you do? That makes sense. Trust the process. Bruh, I trusted you earlier and I got stopped out. I don't understand. Move stop loss to there. Let's see. And another 4 cons trust. If you don't explain the process, how can anyone understand? Yep. What's up, make money online? I'm good. We're having fun today. We are causing all the rubbish and being the problems we want to see in the world today. I love it. If you can't understand a process, how can you trust it? Tell them, some guy. Exactly. So the market's right. You say, why do you say it's now short? Pikuabe, I feel like I need to put you on a timeout for that one. Where you at? Let me time you out. You brat. I have zero clue when this trade should be along or where TP should be. Samesies. Maybe TP. I put it at midpoint. Should TP be at VWAP? Maybe VWAP. Should we just go for gold? Should we now move this as well? Where do we move this to? I don't know. What do I do? I don't know what to do. Yeah, screw it. We'll make it a little winner chicken dinner. Look at that. We're gonna get $8. Big spend over here. Like I said, everyone has a different strategy and process, but the opposite of what you want to buy. Microwave Maya tried making a sandwich. She cut herself. Remember, buy the rumor, sell the news. NFP is a big deal, and there's a sell-off leading into it. Seems like some people know some things. Ooh, Shaki, interesting. So you're thinking it's a buy time. I was actually making noise for that one, thinking, damn, I'm being dangerous. We're like, I'm pushing all the limits today. Let's see what happens. If you delta build up and see who jumps in heavily and jump in, you stop because it can be devastating if it goes wrong. Market reacts complete opposite of news. True. Person-in-law ghosted signal. Do the opposite. Yeah. Oh guys, okay. We were actually about to do butterfly of the day, and then I got yelled at to do a buy, so I bought. Because, you know, that's what we do here. What's up, Chuck Sprint? What pair am I trading? This is the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? Okay, so let's get this party started. For those of you that are new, here we have fun. We do butterfly of the day. It's very random, but who cares? Let's see what our butterfly of the day is. East Slope Marble. What the heck is that? Why is it so fuzzy? What's happening? Oh, wait. What is it? Why is it so weird? Oh my gosh, this is... What? This is a cool butterfly. He's fluffy. Look at him. He's low-key awesome. I kind of dig him. Look at him. He's just a fuzzy little guy. I'm TP now. Just like that new Apex film with the music playing. I was like, such like danger. And you go, ah! I can picture you doing that scream, actually, to be fair. He's cool as heck. East Slope Marble Butterfly. He is awesome. Okay, let's read up a little bit on him. That's him. Super fluffy. Yeah, this is what he looks like. This is the underside. Wow. Okay, so let's go back to all. Let's read up. The East Slope Marble, I'm not going to read that, is a small North American butterfly known for the dense green marbling on the underside of its hind wings. It is exclusively found in the sagebrush, bitterbrush shrub steppe of the eastern... Butchered all of that. of the eastern Sierra Nevada slopes in the western United States. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, we read up a little bit about him. Okay, that's a different one. That's an island marble. Spends an average of 7 days in its butterfly stage. This dude only lives for 7 days. That's okay. But we gotta see him. Yeah, we don't got a lot of information on him, and I don't really feel like reading up on him, but he's cool as heck. And I think he's pretty, and he's a fuzzy dude. Okay, back to the charts. Moving on. Was my short a good entry? It was, Market Rider, well done. I have a TP now. Check experience good. Check the same 178158. I swear every butterfly might. Surprised at how fluffy they are, but he's so cute. He's a fluffy little dude and I love it. That was a nice clean fast setup. The paradoxical butterfly effect is the opposite of your trade ASAP. Wow. Why did the butterfly skip its own party? Why? I'm genuinely curious. This sounds like it's either going to be a great joke or such a bad one. Okay. My coffee's finished and I'm sad now. What's that? Oopsies. I forgot to open the door again for Perry after the pool guys left. I was too busy having Okay, moving up. What the heck, man? I was gone for 5 seconds. What? Are all the bad jokes here, but what the heck? What just happened? What? Well then. Okay, well, it took out all of this liquidity here. 5:13. It's such a random time. Gotta be news. It has to be something. Who tweeted what? It's basically the question. Who just tweeted what? Because what the actual hey diddly day was that? Bruh. It's not even like there was anything. What? I was gone for 2 seconds. I was gone for 2 seconds and a flipping 90-point move just happened. Wow, maybe the Maya effect is real. No. ran and form extent of its acceptance to transfer project. Oh, is this real? Is this the what did you say, Jackie? Buy the gossip? Was it buy the gossip? No, buy the, what did you say? Buy the something, short the news. Buy the rumors, short the news. If you want a longer 4-hour locked in. Oh, some guy, that's awesome. It says on the news 1 minute ago. Thank you. Didn't say. Buy the rumor, sell the news. There we go. So, if you all bought the rumor, then well done. Because holy guacamole. Ah, guacamole. Ah, nachos will be nice. Sorry, I'm now in the mood for nachos. Damn. But I got in that long at the New York home. Took off letting the rest run to 310. Nice, T-Bone. That's honest. Yeah. Anyone that got a whoop whoop, be it a sell back down or a buy now, well done. Well deserved. Proud of you. I'm backed and get timed out. Nah, you didn't. I like you too much, McGuava. You're good. Bro. No spamming, please. How many accounts do I trade? Just the one. Well, technically 2 if you count the paper account. But I don't, so just the one. Just the one funded account. I'm not at copy trading levels yet. Yet being the keyword. Lavender, you're always here. You're just being like a little sneaky sneaker. You don't say anything and then you just kind of boom appear. Okay, just took out all of that buy side liquidity that I had marked out over there. Keen to see it now go bob to bob properly. Okay. Okay, why are we being slow? It's fine, I got mod admin. I got all the permissions, I have all the power. Guys. Thanks for the news. Honestly, short at 248. Yeah, so, Markets Rider, Lavender does super quick trades. Super quick trades. Like, insanely quick trades. That was intense, guys. Evan has returned. 519. I now know what you're talking about, at least, Mikuave. At least I now know what you're talking about. Where are you going? One was from the past one. I said, I'll say the same thing. I said to Jill. She said, the psychopath all very. Who? Who is? No, some guy. Why? Okay. Boo. Just kidding. Have fun at work. See you maybe later for New York session? Yes? No? Maybe? Oh, no. Okay, I won't. That's okay, though. Yeah, I had 2 contracts and I'm still in the runner. Oh my goodness. Do you guys trade, like, very similar? No, because to make me feel bad. I'm kidding. Go have fun. It's Friday. And then it's the weekend. I was about to be like, what am I doing this weekend? That's right, I'm just packing. There's nothing fun about packing. Oh, I got the chisel. Just a touch. Okay, 5:20. I don't know why I'm keeping track of the time. That was such a large candle, and now it's gonna have to either correct itself or we're gonna just get a continuation. It's been slowly grinding up, so yeah. Let's look on the 5 minute. Let's quickly check 5 minute. Yeah, let me actually move to this for that. Game recognizes game. So you should break some viewer. Damn, you got 80 HDs? Yeah. 80 of them. Five minutes low-key been the way to go today. Nope, I lie. That would not have tagged in. Followed that, would not have tagged in. Wow. But that was the trade over there, took out all of them highs. So we are going up, we're just having quite big corrections before doing so. Huge wick now, just took out all of those. This was looking at 15 minute. Ooh, no, still has to take out some more highs. I'm just gonna be watching the wick now for a little bit. Keep selling the near double bottom. 16. Reloaded long. Is it bad that I don't even bother looking at the news anymore? Mikwave, I don't. I don't bother, but me. Going up and down. Kind of looks bearish on the higher time frame though, so spot on last week's value area high. Dropped to the midpoint of last week. My stop loss is below the last huge bullish candle. What's up, Ninja? How you doing? How's it been going? How's it hanging? And by high, I mean hourly, 4 hours, still fine. Okay. See what it does here. It's doing the quick up, slow retracement down. Quick up, slow retracement down. 523. Interesting. So I find it interesting that I'm a little bit in my head today, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm still watching. You know, if I don't take another trade for London, it is what it is. We'll come back for New York later. I'll go touch some grass, go mentally think about my life choices, and quest. No, I'm kidding. Just kidding. Fridays are notorious for sell-offs in the US. I can't talk, but imagine trading advice. Cold T-bone steak. Oh, good. Thanks for how you doing, girl. I'm good. The ninja here, and I was in the same ninja we were hating. No, this is a different ninja. Mikwave, do you know who the ninja is that you were hating on Discord? Which I think you're gonna laugh. Wait, let me actually message you. I don't wanna out anyone. Oh, I can't message you else I'm gonna lose things. I'll message you later once I've read all the drama. I haven't caught up on all the drama. Not advice though, just thinking out loud. T-Bone, to be fair, that's what we all kind of do here. We think out loud, that's the point. I find it really interesting to see what everyone else is looking at. You guys already kind of know what I look at. Am I looking at the correct things? Not always. But I tell you what I'm looking out for. Do they always work? No, obviously not, or else I would be like bawling. But here I am bawling my eyes out instead. Just kidding, I'm not. I'm fine, I promise. I'm just doing dark humor today because it's funny. Ooh, valid point, Mikrob, I could do that. I just had to double check. There we go. I'm the one that calls you the French heating instrument. Yes, it's Friday. Bye. Trading has been the greatest. I'm more interested in trying to finish my never-ending apps, so I've been focused on that. Wait, Ninja, what do you mean trading hasn't been the best? Microwave English side surface then. Lucky Bomb. Oh, thank you. Yeah. 100%. I've been taking too many L's and it's hurting my psyche. I mean, you know, it's similar. Well, I've had good and bad days, but the bad days hurt, right? And the good days feel very far and few between. Can I help you, sir? Do you want a sweetie? I know. How rude is he? Ask nicely. I guess your face just asks nicely. Look how cute he is. Okay. But by the time a problem is formed, I wreck for the day and I don't have my mental fortitude to continue at that point. Yeah, that makes sense, Ninja. Then you're just like done for the day. You got this sort of month bad too, but you get through it. Yeah, Ninja, we've got this. I think we need to start sending each other motivational messages every morning. Basically just saying, don't be sugar honey iced tea. I'm kidding. I won't do that. So what's me? I have a nursing shop for the first hour of New York, and then the trend forms after 10:30, which sucks for me, Ninja, because that's normally about when I stop trading the New York session. So yeah, that's not grand for me, bro. Give me something here. So slowly going down. This is, oh, it might pop back into midnight. Yeah, I think this is coming back down, guys. It's going down. Do do. Hiccup. Do 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 do. Oh, good grief. Okay, well, absolutely not. See, but my is glowing. So proud of it. You're gonna love it. Oh, okay. Time the mic. Oh, wow. Maybe it's real. Maybe the Maya effect is real. In which case you guys will just love it if I stop, right? You guys would love it if I just stopped streaming. You guys would be like, finally the markets are back to normal. So mean. That is so mean. Ninja. Love you still. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I'll stop streaming and you guys will start getting banger trades again. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm the problem. Ooh, I just got, sorry. Oh, that's perfect. Okay. Sorry. I just saw something for my horse. Oh, I love it. My friend put a ball in for my horse to play with because he's a child and I love him. No, correct. Between 10:30 and 11 o'clock in New York on Fridays, I always want to go home and sell the position. Bottom goes down. Liquidity leads, and if we're 300 points already on Nasdaq. Trump has been doing some. Maya is the butterfly effect. Oh my gosh, Mikorova, imagine it is. I'll miss you too much and then be distracted by looking for you. Oh, Ninja, you're so full of rubbish. Still not seeing their own rating report anywhere, but I'm most probably selling little slowly waiting for confirmation. That's how you get back the trades. So, Maya, what happened to you today? Oh, you know, just...
Emotional damage.
That's the reason for Trump just wanting all out war. Yeah, all because of me. Can you imagine? I don't know if I'd be flattered or terrified. Probably terrified. Probably terrified. Like, what did I do? What did I do? I'm only joking. I know, Deb. I know. Okay, 5:32. Sure. This time yesterday, I was boarding a plane. How wild, guys. Time flies. I know I sound so old when I say this now. It's because I am old. I'm accepting it. But damn, like, where did this week go? I woke up today and I was like, sure, it's Wednesday. I was like, nope. It's Friday. Today is Friday. Definitely not Wednesday. Today is Friday. And this time yesterday, I was boarding a plane. Absolutely wild. Before I know it, I'm gonna be moving. I can't stop streaming. You'll leave me to watch them. Nearly as great as you. Oh. 3. Let's see. Okay, well, we get. Oh my greatness. Do we think this is going to improve in the next 30 minutes? I'm thinking no after that move. I'm thinking it had this spike and now it's going to have a moment to correct itself. Still gonna stick around, right? At least until quarter 2. Let's see what quarter 2 brings us. Maybe we get something awesome. Nah, do you know what time it is? Oh, wait, there's 2 things. First of all, we have not done Fun Fact Friday. It is Friday, and do you know what that means? It means we have to do fun facts. Peanut butter jelly time. Maybe mine was the previous end of the world, but she went back. Time to be a trader instead of in the world, but the butterfly effect has said no and bought them and entered the world another way. Wow, guys. Can you imagine? But I feel like if I knew the outcome of what was happening, if I came from the future, wouldn't I be able to trade better? Because I would know what was gonna happen. Does that make sense? I feel like that makes sense. So it is Fun Fact Friday time! So apparently there's an unknown number of Nile crocodiles in Florida. They are the 2nd largest crocodile and are more dangerous than Florida's native crocodiles and alligators. Guys, I actually saw the oldest crocodile that we know of. Yeah. I went with my parents to a place called Croc World. And this crocodile's name is Henry. He is 126 years old. Yes, he is 126 years old. How wild. Anyways, sorry. There's my random fun fact. Uranus was the first planet ever discovered with a telescope. It wouldn't work that way just by coming to the past. Your present changes, you moving. Okay, that's true. That's true. It's got to be a special kid if I've ever heard one. In 1926, jazz pianist Fats Waller, what a name, was reportedly abducted by armed men in Chicago and taken to perform at Al Capone's birthday party. Interesting. The motto on the United Kingdom's royal coat of arms is in French. The motto is, I'm not even going to try to say that, which means God and my right. Okay. When Facebook acquired Instagram for $1 billion in April 2012, the company was just 18 months old and had 13 employees. What? That's cool. Cats can hydrate from seawater because their kidneys efficiently filter out the salt, while humans and most animals risk dehydration from drinking seawater. What? Okay, I'm going to leave it on that fun fact because that is interesting. Do we think this is real? Cats can hydrate from seawater. Okay, that is definitely a fun fact. Wow. Okay, I dig that fun fact for today. Wow, that's cool. Okay, back to the charts now. And we're back to the charts, and guess what that means? We're going to do a coin toss. I heard playing the first cup at Alien. What are we getting out of paying performance fees? What's up, Green Giant? How you doing? Jordy, you've missed so much chaos. Well, apparently I missed so much chaos. I'm gonna sit and I have to go through all the Discord. Okay. They may be able to. They may be able. They may be able to hydrate, but I swear it makes them go crazy. Yeah, I've always been weirded out by cats drinking out of a pool, but now I understand. Thanks, Maya. I was today years old. A simple buy. Jordy, I found some info out. Look at that. The coin agreed with you, user. The coin said buy. So we're going with it. Did a coin toss. This is the paper trade. Guys, I need to really be careful about doing that. I didn't even look properly. I was just like, coin said buy, let's buy. And then I was like, wait a second. Can you imagine that it was on my funded account? What is it? 11. Cool. We're going. I haven't even put a stop loss. I need to try and get better with stop losses. I really have no idea. Let's make it 200. Oh, but that's not a very nice spot. Oh well. Oh, Rikuave. No, don't worry. You can tell him. Basically, Jordy. He was trying to find. How do I put this? Rikuave was trying to find out who the beef was with, like who on Discord you guys were having an argument with. He wanted to know who it was, and I told him who it was. We found out Capone shared his excellent ways on saving on performance fees. Yeah, just be that guy. That's how it works. Oh, guys, this little... Oh, wait, I could just do this. No, leave it at $200. This poor account. Oh, I feel so bad for this poor paper account. With all the shenanigans I get up to. This poor paper account. Seriously, guys, what would happen if on the paper account I get to 0? Do you think that's ever happened? It must. He's my role model, big up. Flip. One. Okay. I really have to... Beef? What beef? I know nothing about such atrocities. Well, to be fair, I didn't either until I was told that some shenanigans happened in Discord, and I went and I need to go and read everything. I need to go and get myself some popcorn and read through the Discord. I see all of this happen on Wednesday while I was away. What the heck? While I'm away, everyone goes cray-cray, apparently. I figured out the amount of money that you're comfortable with trading on a daily basis. Atlantic, yeah, I know what amount I'm comfortable with. So when I have the usual amount, so not right now, being in drawdown, but when I'm back up at 50, what I was always comfortable with was stop loss at $200, right? So $200 per trade, max of 3 losses. That's $600 loss per day. He hired a pianist for his birthday. Hate him with his life. Legend. Let's see if this works. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna go for it. I think it's cleanup time. What being in cheapskate, huh? Kind of ironic, isn't it? Oh man, the coin's doing me dirty today. Oh, do you know why? I didn't pick a new coin. Would this be Tuesday's coin? No wonder. No wonder. That's on me. That's on me for not picking a new coin. Ah, shucksy doodles. This looks like it wants to go further, maybe bounce off a VWAP again on ES. So further down, maybe a rejection off a VWAP again. Like I said, reason I don't like the stop loss being here, it's at midnight. And there's a bit of a volume imbalance here. I know OTT is gonna hate me for saying that. But this could be quite a decent area to see some rejection. But it does mean it might come further down. Let's see though. Um, 543. Going slowly but surely. Do you guys think this buy was correct? Who knows? Maybe. I'll probably be here for New York. Oh dear. Oh dear. We're okay. So what I'm hearing is I need popcorn for the New York session. I hope you all are prepared. Bring popcorn for the New York session. I feel like there's going to be drama. There's going to be dramatics happening during the New York session. I'm not stopping nor encouraging it. But I will be here with popcorn, that's all I'm saying. I think it'll go to 3080. Really? That far down? I see. Potentially retesting back into there. Not a bad shout, actually. Nah, guys, I think this thing wants to go down. Let's see. I could be wrong. I'm not calling it great today. That being said, I did say that I think it's gonna edge Asia low here, and then actually go up for Asia high, which is quite far up there, but I did say that's what I predicted it might want to do. It's most likely gonna stop me out for $14 there, but still. The first 1.5 hours in New York. Okay, 11:46. We're going. I might maybe invest and get loans against it. That way you still have it and spend banks money. Save a lot of tax new spending. Just not your own cash. Debbie, this sounds interesting. I'm curious. You have piqued my curiosity, just saying. Whee! Look at it go! Damn, okay, I take it back. Coin did good job. For now, might want to come back further. I'm just gonna trail this thing. I say, and then it's probably gonna take me out. I'm not gonna be trailing it very far, am I? Okay. Okay, let's go. Maybe not. 5:47. I'm just talking about putting it in. Aw, okay, that did not go very far. But I mean, it was still a little winner chicken dinner. We're getting there. We've kind of just been stuck in this. Doing this damn range, shoot up. Range, shoot up. Okay. What a bummer. In UK loans are not taxable and income is taxable. This sounds sketchy. You're so hungry you could a horse. Oh no. Okay, sorry, I'm being mean. Okay. $5.48. To be fair, guys, I'm actually also hungry. No, too late, Nikwave. Too late. Butchered it. 5:48. Cool. Watch and see what it does here. It didn't go as far down as I thought it would on ES. I still expected it to go a little bit further down on ES, tap into VWAP, and then maybe continuation back up. Nope. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna call it a tad bit early today, guys. I'm gonna call it there for today. I'm gonna go, number one, check what's happening in Discord, because I'm curious. Secondly, I'll go touch grass, sort out my brain. Let's get ready for, a lot of people are saying, what, Friday sell-off? Seems to be what a lot of people are suspecting is gonna happen, a Friday sell-off. I also want to kind of watch NFP, so I might hop on the Discord for NFP later at, what time is that, 2:30 my side, 8:30 a.m. EST side. Just to watch. Maybe I'll try a paper, right, Debbie? Maybe I'll try market in on paper. Let's see. Don't worry, Geordie. We'll be back for later. I love you guys madly. See you for the New York session. Watch. No, let me stop watching. I'll see you guys for the New York session. Trade safe in this. Whoop whoop for anyone that got a win today. Green is green. Womp womp. For people like me that had a little bit of a losing trade, it is what it is. We move on to the next. Okay, I love you guys madly. Check you later, alligators. See you for the New York Open. Okay, trade safe, guys. Bye. And oh wait, I pressed the wrong thing. Okay, bye.